welcome to day 1 of my Iloilo solo trip. Since walay makatun na ako paingon sa airport, I decided to ride a van. This is a clip of me getting annoyed because supposedly dapat 1 p.m. paingon na mi sa airport. Ana pagit sila nga sala daw na ako ngano wala daw ko nagbook daan. Di ba pwede raman dapat na book in? Nagsaba naman lang unta sila daan nga dili ko nila ma-accommodate. Makapangita og laing transpo. Buhat na lang niya kay nangita siya og taxi nga makapaton na ako sa airport. Mind you, ani nga time 1:30 na. Someone nga nidako og Asian parents nga dapat 3 hours before the flight na anak ka sa airport. You can't really blame me for being this tililing. Early manggod has its perks. Mas makarelax ka and dili kay kaingana ka stressed. I still had time. Naka-check-in ako and I think I had 1 hour wait sa terminal before nag-boarding na. I expected nga gamay na tao sa flight pero to my surprise, dagan man day pa yun sa Iloilo. I really can't explain the happiness I get from boarding the planes. A mix of nostalgia and the feeling that you're about to embark into a new adventure. Ang place na ako Airbnb around like so many coffee shops. There's a BGC. Look at the view. Okay, siya. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm freaking out. Oh my god, this is my first solo trip ever. Look at that. I have a sink. Oh my god, and I have a couch. Wait lang, I need to go out. Gutom na ko. Oh my god. Hala, wow, na-slide ko. Palit rabagid ko. Oh my god, that's nice. That's perfect. Oh, na-slide bidi. Naisilhig. Perfect. My god. Anyways, tara, mag-ano sa ako. Let's go eat. Guys, what the fuck? I think I forgot my camera. The one I was supposed to use for vlogging. Fuck! Are you for real? I forgot my camera. So I'm gonna have to use this camera. Oh my god! Okay, it's at the end of the world, but still, I still have my my camera, not this camera. This is my like mirrorless camera, but that one was for vlogging. Hi, it's Future Kareel. As I said earlier, I'm looking for food here. Murag BGC diri, kang vibes. It's even BGC. Except the pedestrian doesn't have like kanamrag stoplight for some people. But It's so cute. Nice go you. I'm so glad that I found this Airbnb because it was so close to this Atria Park. Also very close to Festive Walk, which I will be showing to you in the next videos. Stop by this pastry shop and buutan kayo itong staff nga nag-accommodate sa ako. And dili ko nag-decide mo kaon, gitasan ako akong gipalit. Lami ni siya kay matcha, of course. I love matcha. So, kanidi akong gi-order dinuguan, rice, and I also ordered empanada. Ang ilang dinuguan na tong una i-taste, actually, I did not enjoy this kay medyo na siya pagka-aslom-aslom. Didn't really fit my taste buds. As a dinuguan lover, I didn't really enjoy this. Ang empanada nila, it was a 50-50. Not good, not bad. It was okay. Bye. Going to SM. Iloilo. Okay, 10 pa mag-close. So, sunitin natin. Let's go. Cute kayo ng jeep. Out here in the highway. In the streets of Iloilo. Where have you been? Mga 1 hour ba agad ko naglibot-libot dari nga SM, and I believe this is the first SM outside Manila. Dayon ko og bok choy from Ted's, and I will do a taste test later. Abangan. Ikapoy na ko. Dami na kay maligo. It's either my legs are heavy from not walking or my legs are heavy because of walking. Gusto na lang, ha? Ikapoy na ko. You know what's interesting here? Ang ilang mga jeep. It's so unique. Unique ilang mga jeep. Mga cute. Ilang mga jeep dito yung mga short kings. You know, ang vibe na ko gakita sa mga cute ay mga jeep nila dito yung mga marami itong mga kasi cute. Yan na cute. Well, mga jeep dito sa ano. So like Mindanao or Cagayan kay mga like mga dictatorship but random na akong ginapayaya. Gusto na ako magigda. Guys, it's not nice ko yung feeling na mahal to kagbol na walay anxiety. Okay, walay kailan mo. Then, no one cares if may ani ko. Wala kailan mga taon ako din. Weird lang itong tanaw na ako but who the fuck cares? Okay na ko eh. But I'm enjoying it. You know, I love the feeling na I control my time. And ako ay magbuot po ako to. Yeah. Sakit ang bukton. Ugma, mag-jogging, mag-ugma. I'm gonna explore the city with my legs again. Hi guys! So nag-storage full akong phone. The fuck? I-delete na ako tanan akong video sa... Anyways, I just got home, nagligo ko, and then I organize ko sa mga stuff, iputang sa aparador. And I'm just gonna drink some... I guess ganina bitaw sa SM. Sige na kong ubo, my God! To the point na makahihi ko. Yan na nga ubo guys, my God. I need this to like calm me. 2 tablespoon. Sinusula ko kainom ganina. Sinusula ko na satisfy sa akong dinner ganina. Which is, I was expecting a lot ha, kay dinuguan. My favorite. But then it was so disappointing because it was so aslong. Like, it was like very, I don't know, tingly siya sa ano bitaw. Tingly siya sa tongue and I hated it. Ooh, oh my God, ay mga baboy and everything. Guys, you should see this. I'm gonna position it. Makikita ko. Parang ako, tatry kong tanong Netflix. Oh my God! It's so yummy! Oh, chika lang sa ta. Before ko mag doze off. Okay, I'm kind of feeling the sleepiness. Ako, first impression sa Iloilo City is that gakonyo ni sila. Mura sila gakonyo do. Gakalibog ko if Tagalog ba ilang ilang language or Bisaya. Kaya kung gi-search, same naman ang Bisaya o kuan ang Ilonggo. Ang kuan lang yun, ang Ilonggo lang ginalang sa nasa accent. Ilang accent, grabe kabuutan. Ano na. Ito, nasa accent. And then, atong accent tahon dahil sa kagyan, oh, grabe ka isog. Murag kuan. Murag ambot. Sobrang ka isog. Murag ko pangaway. Mura na. Butan sila. Mura ko maingon. And dagan katabok na iro sa dalan. Ito ako. Magkapoy ka ay bay. Kapoy ka ayo. Like, makaya ba na ako itinerary ugma? Nga maglakaw-lakaw the whole day? Well, di mo na ako makaya, uy. Dakan ko atuon ugma do, like, legit. Okay, just wanna lie down. Just wanna chill. Anyways, just finished eating that bok choy. Personally, it wasn't my type. It wasn't my cup of tea. I really want something salty. There's a hint of sweetness. I think yan naman tanan bok choy. Yan ang typical bok choy. I wish that I got some pepper, so I can put some pepper. Usually ginabutan ako pepper. Yeah. Pero ba siya nakurot din ako. Yun lang. Kapoy na ko dahil namin naman to. Anyways, watch lang ko Netflix kamay and then I'm gonna doze off. I'm early pa ako tomorrow.
If the sun refused to shine